Welcome to online classes. This is class 5 primary science. Today we will discuss chapter 4 bones and muscles. So please open on page 37. So today we will discuss about skeletal system and bones. The skeleton and muscles together give shape and strength to our body. So skeleton and muscles, these two things, they give shape and strength to our body. Without the skeleton and muscles, we will not have the shape of our body. So it is the need for our body, these two things, that is skeleton and muscles. Now let us discuss what the skeletal system. The skeletal system forms the framework of the body. It is made of bones. The skeletal system gives shape to the body and protects internal organs such as our lungs. It stores calcium needed to repair and strengthen our bones and to make blood cells. Along with muscles, the skeletal system helps our body to move. So dear children, the skeletal system forms what it forms? A framework of our body. So now we are standing, our body is there. It is because of this skeletal system. It is made of bones. It is, this skeletal systems is made of bones. Here you see the picture, the skeletal system. This is made of the bones. Here only bones is there, the skeletal system. The skeletal system gives shape to the body and protect internal organs. The skeletal system, it gives the shape of the body, how we look, how we appear. This is the work of this skeletal system, and this protect our body and internal organs. We have internal organs such as lungs. Inside it is their lungs. So it protect, okay, this internal organs and lungs. This protects what? It protects who? Skeletal system. Then it also repair, okay, these bones repair or strengthen, and blood cell it makes, okay. Then the skeletal system also helps our body to move, okay. We are walking, we are working, we are going one place to another place. So this skeletal system only, it helps to move our body. Now let us come to bones. Bones, nearly 14% of our body's weight is due to our bones. Bones have to be strong enough to support us and light enough to let us move easily. So this our bones is there inside in our body. So this bones has to be strong enough. So this bones has to be strong enough. They have to support us to go one place to another place, to move easily one place to another place, to walk, to run, to play. These things, these bones has to be strong enough so that we can do everything. We can walk, we can go, we can play because of these bones. They have to be strong enough. Bones are connected together by flexible tissues called ligaments. So these bones are connected flexible tissues. See, in our hand also you see this is called tissues. Okay, this is called tissues. So these are connected, these are covered with, inside we have bones. Okay, this is, it has covered. Okay, here also you see these flexible tissues called ligaments. These tissues are connected, okay, together. They are flexible. Okay, they are connected and they have covered to bones. Bones are supplied with blood and nerves. So bones are supplying what? Blood and nerves. That is how they grow as we grow older. So this blood, nerves, this bones, how it is growing, and we also grow day by day. The long bones of the body are filled with soft, fatty materials called bone marrow. So these long bones are filled with soft, fatty materials. Okay, these are called bone marrow. The red blood cells of the body are made by the bone marrow. So this, we have red blood cells in our body. This is made of bone marrow. Different parts of our body have different numbers of bones. Okay, in our body different parts are there. In different parts there are bones, also different parts of bones or different kinds of bones are there. Bones also differ in size and shapes. Some bones are long, like the arm and leg bones. We see our arms and leg bones, they are long, and some are short, that is like those in wrist and ankles. We have wrist and ankles, they have short type of bones there we find. There are flat bones like those in our scalp. This our scalp, you can see here scalp, this is scalp, it has flat bones. Okay, it has flat bones. See, it has flat bones. So flat bone like those in our scalp. Bones in the ear. Okay, ear are of an irregular shape. So we have bones that is in ear, that is irregular, that is not the not one kind of shape bones we have. So that is irregular shape. So thank you for watching this video. So next class we will be discussing scalp.